Hey guys, it's Ninja here. Got Sean with me today.
G'day.
Sean has done himself a little bit of a mischief, not too big a one, but mischief just the same. So tell me about where you were and what happened.
So I was travelling, I was in Portugal.
Portugal, where we're going to do a workshop?
Yes.
One day.
Keep in check.
Yep.
And I was playing beach volleyball. And the game when you're trying to keep it up for 10, 20, 30 times or whatever. And I went to lean and do a little, you call that a spike? Or
Dig.
Dig
it out, yeah.
And my right knee kind of got trapped in sand as I was doing, and it kind of went a weird way. Couldn't walk a day afterwards. I couldn't walk properly. And then slowly over time it's gotten better. But recently the whole back of my leg has been so tight, and I'm almost certain it stems from that trauma at the beach in Portugal.
All right. So what we plan on doing today is working in the back side of that knee and then sort of seeing what happens, I suppose. And we might treat the front side another time. So it's sort of like see what's going on. So a lot of this treatment we do is using your intuition, a bit of trial and error, see what works. We want to go with what works. So we need to explore and work into the body and use the intel that Sean's given me. So he's feeling like it's in the back. He's not really feeling it in the front too much.
Not really, maybe on the side.
A little bit there, but more in the back. So let's go to where the body's talking and then see what happens.
Are you qualified though?
Yeah, no, I'm not, but I'll just make it up. Ninja don't have to worry about things like that. So it's on your right leg.
Yeah,
lie down on your stomach, man, and we'll go to town. Do a bit of, just lift this up just a little bit. So I can work you. So I'm going to work you through your hamstrings a little bit, just the bottom end of them.
Yep.
A little bit, and then we'll kind of do a little bit of popliteus, bit of the top of your calf.
Popliteus.
Popliteus, mate. pop my thumb in your popliteus. See what happens. Release it off. So being nice today, doing a little bit of a warm up. Don't always do warm-ups on these videos just because of time's sake, but it is important that we do engage with the person in a manner that's not going to put them offside right from the start. We need to kind of work in gradually, and if you're kind of working gradually and broad and things like that from the start, you're not going to overstep the mark, so you're not going to go over people's boundaries. And that's really important because when you have your boundaries kind of crossed, you get offside with a practitioner, say, and that's not a good way to be because we come into a practitioner because we've got issues, we've got problems, we've got pain, and we're not happy, so we want to get things sorted out. So if people tuning into you and respecting you, they'll go at your pace and they'll use the intel that you're giving them, about how sensitive things are and sort of when things are really solid and they've been there for ages, sometimes you had a gut full of that restriction, and so you just can really go into it really hard the first session or the first 5 minutes even, but other times things are still sensitive and they're raw and it's emotional because it can take you right back to that time when that incident occurred perhaps. And so not everyone's kind of ready to go full bore into it. You might need time to process little layer by layer. So yeah.
Princess Leia.
Is that Star Wars?
Yeah.
Princess Leia. Layer by layer. Would you layer?
Not now. But
not now?
Back then, yes.
Yeah?
Oh, that's sore.
So yeah, just in here, I found a bit of a good spot. So I'm in the hamstring, but also the top of the calf crosses over into here as well. So,
I feel like, potentially there's like this pocket in my calf.
Yeah.
That could be causing a bit of trauma as well.
Yeah. So inside or outside?
I think more outside.
Yeah.
Or like in the middle outside kind of.
Yeah. So,
this is good.
We can explore it. So I can kind of hit that top of the calf there, but I want to go over and into the bottom of the hamstring. So engage with it there, so I can feel where that joins on. There is a bit of gunk. It's probably been protecting it in there.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to hold that for a bit, give it a little wiggle, give it a bit of time to relax, know that I'm not a threat, you don't have to fight me and run away. We're doing this for the greater good, got good intention. Yeah, just sometimes just clearing a gutter can be the thing that instigates healing. So your body just wants a chance to heal, and sometimes it just needs a hand to kind of get out some trapped matter, or the alarm system's on and the body's protecting itself, and it's probably an old operating system. You no longer need that protection because the trauma's long gone. And so you can kind of, with the help of somebody, you can heal. So in there, man, I can feel a little bit of gunk.
Yeah.
Like that. Feel that one? Yeah. So I'm just going to pin that. Weight on it. Yeah. And then I can just sort of lower leg down a little bit, and that'll just engage with it even harder and just exaggerate the stretch at the site where I'm working.
Oh, love it.
It's good.
Love it.
Feels good, huh?
Yeah. Oh.
Feels good, huh? So tell me about, where was it again? Where we're going to do the workshop? Portugal. Tell me about Portugal a little bit, man. What's good about Portugal?
So it's beautiful, beautiful beaches. Obviously, the whole of their west border is a beach.
Yep.
Beaches are beautiful. The people are really, really nice.
Yep.
Food's amazing. So cheap as well. I remember buying a round of drinks, and it was two beers and 2 glasses of wine.
Yeah.
For €6. So that's like 12 Australian dollars for 4 drinks.
Yep.
$3
each, eh?
How good's that?
It's good. Be an alcoholic pretty easily over there.
Oh yeah.
Party boy.
Yeah, that happened. But actually, while I was over there, that was a surfing and yoga retreat.
Yeah.
So there was more of that than, there was still a bit of partying. Probably half and half. Bit of balance, bit of yin and yang.
Yin and yang.
Yeah, but beautiful part of the world. Great place to run an MMT shop clinic out of there.
Yeah. Let's put it up on the vision board, huh?
Yeah.
We're going to write this sort of stuff down and let the universe know that we're serious.
Yep.
You know?
Put it out there. Law of attraction.
Yeah, that's it. Broadcast.
Yeah.
And the people in Portugal are watching this right now. You want to see it? You want to shout us a ticket over? We'll come over. You reckon? All right. So we're getting into some business now. So more where that calf starts in the top, the top part of the leg, the femur, and I'm going to push in, and then see if I can find the gunk that Sean has been sensing in his own body. Gonna get in there, man. Yeah, look at that. Leo, our cameraman.
The king.
Gets the angle king. Look at him.
The angle is the angle.
Yeah. Yeah. Angle Seeker. I think I did a video called Angle Seeker, not Ankle Seeker. Angle. I seek out angles wherever I go. So yeah, the Angle Seeker. So that's what it's all about. Because like we can be on the spot, but we're not really on the spot. How about that? So you change an angle like that, just the different angle the force is being put. The engagement just changes, so we're trying to drag that out. So you kind of notice what I've been doing as well with this treatment, like, because Shawnee felt like he was locked in here. So what I'm trying to do is do this. So I'm trying to get the gunk that's in here and
flush.
Get it out. Yeah, I'm not kind of pushing it in. I'm not pushing it in like that. So that's why I'm kind of doing it this kind of direction as well.
I feel more tightness in the middle.
Yeah. So if I go in here a bit,
Yeah.
and there might be even
Oh.
the popliteus in the medial side that's got a bit of gunk in there, because the popliteus does go from lateral to medial.
Yeah.
It goes from the femur down into the tib, I think it is. So push in there. How's that feel?
Yeah. Good. I feel like
there yet?
it's
Yeah, in the guts there.
Yeah, right in the guts there.
Yeah. So in a lot of schools, they'll tell you not to work here, but when you're working here, you got to know kind of where the nerves and the arteries and different things are, and kind of glands as well. So you can, if you're staying on tendon and kind of letting all those other little things get out of the way, then you're not going to be creating any damage. And like when we're working, we go in really slow, so it gives times for those the nerves and arteries to kind of get out of the way, and we can really bear in on the problematic part, you know, which is normally a tendon. So we're trying to work into there and work it out like that. So I'm doing little scoops when I'm in there. So trying to bear right into the spot where Shawnee's feeling it, and then kind of let scoop out just by dropping that foot down just that little bit. And I can really stay engaged and scoop it out. So I'm going along.
Oh, that's good.
That there a bit. So you can kind of sense I'm in a good area.
Yeah.
So yeah, right in the back, that knee, but more into that calf. I'm just feeling like I'm running along a tight, solid bit of tissue through here. Yeah, like that. It's good. I might just check your popliteus as well. Well, yeah, I'll come around just so you can see better, Leo. So I'm going to go in here. You can see the sort of site in there.
Oh!
Yeah, so that's not even with that much pressure. Get in and let things get out of the way a bit.
That's where it's tight as.
Yeah, man. It's the old pop the thumb in the popliteus trick. That's the little joke. Never pulled a rabbit out of a hat, but once pulled a hair out of my ass. You like that one? Is that a dad joke?
Yeah, that's good.
That's a dad joke.
That's a good one.
So I'm still getting into it. I'm just feeling like probably not too good visually. That's why we're trying to crack some yarns, some jokes.
Can you go under the knee more, like a bit further, closer back?
Yeah, right. I'm still feel like I'm getting towards into there.
Yeah, it's even further under the knee, like. Oh,
Under
yeah!
there.
Holy moly!
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Yeah.
good morning.
So I'm on to probably, that feels like gastroc there, the tendon. And then I'm going to try and get even deeper than that, I reckon, too, once I kind of melt into there. So when I pull that, it softens it and lets me in. So I'm right on that there. Does that feel like the right thing?
Yeah.
That's it there. So yeah, right in here. So it's all about feel, but also, you know, talking to the person on the table. They've got the intel. They live in the temple.
Yeah.
So they kind of know intuitively what is a good feeling, what is when somebody's tuned in and treating in the manner that needs to be done to make the change. So I'm just going to go a little bit there, and I can push in. How's that?
Yeah, it's softened off now. It's more like it's even up to into
the hamstring more.
hamstring way.
Yeah,
I feel.
Let's keep on following the trail. I'm going to just go down a little bit here. That's not really it.
That sort of. It's definitely when you're coming up towards my head.
Yeah. So let's reload. So you can probably see some good thumbprints in there.
Nice.
But I'm going to go thumb in here and really try and
Yeah, this is gonna be it, I think.
get right in.
Oh, it's
So not good visually, but I'm going to fix this. So I'm getting right in. So when his knee is really flexed, I can get right into that. That's it.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to hold that
And
just tune in. I can feel there's a lumpy there.
and
That way a little bit.
Going that way. Oh.
Yeah, mate. Yeah.
Love it.
Yep.
I need this.
Ah! Yeah.
And I reckon if we flatten my... Oh, yeah.
See, I had to get in there first.
Oh, good.
So letting his leg go a bit. Now
Oh, my
I can
God.
hold a bit of strength in there, like that.
Oh.
That's it.
Yeah, we're doing it.
We're doing it. We're going there.
We're going to hell's hell.
Yeah.
Oh.
There we go. I'm tuned in now. I can really feel that little, scar tissue piece in here that's been bothering you. I'm going to wait on it. I've got the, I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission to melt this down, reduce it down.
It's already feeling better. Good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think the straighter my leg is, the worse but best it gets.
Yeah. So I'm just going to drop it down. And we can we're doing a scoop as we're going down. So I'm it's not the best kind of position. I'm just trying to do it so the camera can see, but yeah.
Good stuff.
Yeah, this is all coming good.
Yeah.
So just do a little bit more, man.
Oh.
Give you a little break. Yeah, it's feeling good.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
That's so good. You're a wizard.
There we go. You can see a big thumb mark there.
Yeah.
Young Leo. Look at that. That's where we've been in there going to work.
Oh,
Yeah, you can test her out a bit if you like.
Oh,
see how it feels.
Good.
Feels good?
Yeah. Like range of movement, there's no tightness under there.
Yeah.
Still a little bit, but
Yeah. It's reduced a lot.
that's good.
Yeah.
It's very good. Thanks, Ninja.
Pleasure, man. So yeah, we'll see how we're going. 4 weeks. I'm going to try and get you again in 4 weeks, and we'll do another video. We might do the front of the knee, wherever you need. We're comedians. Maybe we won't be doing treatment in Portugal. We do our comedy show.
Comedy shows.
Dad jokes.
Yeah.
Aussie dad. Yes. I reckon we could draw a crowd, wouldn't we?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right.
Thanks, mate.
Pleasure. So
Appreciate it.
if you are in Melbourne, come and see this man. He is really good at his craft. He will fix you. Get in quick. If you're seeing this at the end of 2023, he's next gen still, but he won't be there for long. So yeah, so make use of the time.
Come see me. Come see me.
Promise to tell a few jokes.
Yep. All on the way.
Yeah, he's got his dad joke book in the.
Yeah.
Instead of his anatomy book, he's got dad joke books.
It's all up here, mate. It's all up here.
Yeah, he doesn't need a book. Anyway, like, subscribe, look at the links below, our courses, our calendar. You might be interested in the calendar.
Can I get in next year?
I think maybe, comment below if you want to see Shawnee next year in the calendar. But thanks for being a supporter. Really appreciate it.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, Ninja.
Thank you. Done.